In this video, I'm going to show you how to create decals in Roblox. So we're going to start by heading over to the Roblox website and ensure you're logged into your account. Now click on Create in the top navigation and then select Creations from the left-hand panel. Click on Development Items and click on Decals. Now scroll down and select Upload Asset. Make sure Decal is selected from the drop-down arrow and now click on the Upload button. From here, go and locate the image of the decal that you want to go and upload. If you're uploading an image with a transparent background, make sure to upload this as a .png. You can then go and give your decal a name and also a description. I just typically go and describe the image that I'm uploading. We can then scroll down and click on Upload. Now scroll down once again and you'll see a list of all of your decals. If your decal doesn't appear straight away, then just try refreshing the page, and after a few minutes it should typically show up here. Once you can see your decal, select it like so, and then scroll down to distribution. Now, if you want to make this public so other people can access this on the creator store, then make sure to turn on this option here and click on Save Changes. You can then click on the 3 horizontal dots next to your decal and click on Open Asset Details. Now you can come over to the address bar and here you'll find a link to your decal. You can also find the decal ID by copying these numbers in the address bar. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.